Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can transfer data from the internal storage to the microSD card at the Samsung Galaxy A04s. For that we will need the pre-installed file explorer, so just swipe up like this so that you're in the app drawer, and here you will find the Samsung folder, and the part of the Samsung folder is here the app named My Files. So, and at the app you will have first of all a nice overview and categories for the images, videos and so on, and we will need now this point here to transfer data, the internal storage. Okay, and I recommend to you to start first with the pictures and videos you have done with the camera, because they are taking the most storage usually, and you will find them now here at the DCIM folder and the camera folder here. Okay, and here are all your pictures and videos you have done with your camera, in my case just 5. Okay, now go on the file you want to have and long press it. Now it is marked, and now you can mark also some other ones, or if you have many you can also select them all like this here. And the next step now is to move them, no? Or in case you want to copy them for safety reasons, no? But I would recommend to you to move it, that we have much more space on the internal storage after. So just go and move. Okay, now go back here, no? So that you're back in the main view, and now go on the SD card. So I have created already some folders on my SD card, because you should really organize your SD card, because if you mix up the music, the videos, the pictures and documents and so on, you completely lose the overview here. So create folders. So just go here on the 3 points, go on create folder and give them a name, and then you have a much better overview. I have already here a DCIM folder and as well a camera folder. And if you're on the folder in where you want to transfer your data in, so just go on move here after, and then the phone is transferring the files you have selected before directly here in that folder. Let me show you something else. Let me go back here to the main overview in the internal storage, because the same thing we have done with files, we can do the same thing also with folders. So just long press one folder so that it's marked, maybe some other folders and so on, and then you can move it as well. But please take care that you only take folders which one contains music, pictures, videos, documents, files only, because if they have operating system data, it could damage the phone a bit. Yeah, it's not good. Okay, same thing after, just go and move as I have said, and then transfer them to the SD card. So pretty nice. Okay, let me show you something else, because that you don't have to do this procedure all the time with the pictures and videos. You can change the storage location for the camera. So that means that the pictures and videos you are doing with the camera goes directly to the SD card for the next time. For that, just go to the camera app, go to the settings for the camera here on top, scroll down a bit, and you can change the storage location for your future pictures, if they should go to the internal storage or to the SD card. Select the SD card, and now if the storage location is your SD card, the future pictures and videos will go directly to the SD card, and you will save a lot of time. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe until next time. Ciao.